Hello, today is Vlogmas day 5 and in today's video we are learning how to make homemade granola. They cost a fortune at the supermarket. But guess who is teaching you for free? The only price you need to pay is to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, to share and to comment. Let's go shopping.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here